Have you ever finished a walk, the best exercise, and still felt that heaviness, that ache, that feeling that your body is working too hard just to stay upright? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. The truth is, walking alone isn't enough. There's a muscle deep in your lower leg, your body's second heart, that is often asleep after 60. When it's dormant, your energy drains, swelling builds, and stability fades. Today, I'll show you exactly how to reactivate this second heart with 4 simple progressive movements you can do right at home. No equipment, no pressure, and no more heavy legs. Stick with me. When we're done, you won't just feel stronger, you'll feel alive from the ground up. Exercise number 1. Seated heel raise. Wake up the second heart, soleus. Why this simple move changes everything. If your legs swell by afternoon or you feel unsteady rising from a chair, this is your starting point. Buried in your calf is the soleus, your second heart. Every time it contracts, it pumps blood back to your heart, fighting gravity and reducing swelling. After 60, this pump often slows down. This movement is its essential wake-up call. How to do it? Sit tall, feet flat, knees at 90. Place palms lightly on your knees for slight pressure. Keep the balls of your feet pressed down. Slowly lift both heels as high as you comfortably can. Pause and hold for 1 to 2 seconds, feeling the squeeze in the back of your lower legs. Slowly lower your heels back to the floor with control. Do not let them drop. Repeat 15 times. Why it works: circulation and energy. This targeted seated lift safely activates the deep soleus muscle, training it to pump blood, reduce pooling and swelling, and boost circulation to your entire lower body. This is where your new energy begins. Exercise number 2. Standing calf raise. Reclaim stability and power, gastrocnemius and soleus. Why this move changes everything. In the chair, we activated the pump. Now we teach it to work against gravity. This movement activates the larger outer calf muscle, gastrocnemius, alongside the soleus, building the resilient strength needed to push off when walking, climb stairs, and stand tall without sway. Stand facing a sturdy countertop or chair, holding lightly for support. Feet hip-width apart. Shift your weight slightly toward the balls of your feet. Slowly lift both heels as high as you comfortably can. Pause at the top. Slowly lower your heels back to the ground with control, like placing something fragile on a shelf. Repeat 10-15 times. Why it works: proprioception and strength. This puts both major calf muscles through their full range under load. Crucially, each rise and descent sharpens your proprioception, your body's sense of position, making your ankles and knees more precise and automatic in controlling your balance. Exercise number 3. Bent knee calf raise, soleus isolation. Unlock the deep engine for fall prevention. Why this move changes everything. This is the ultimate upgrade for your second heart. By slightly bending the knee, you take the big outer muscle, gastrocnemius, out of the equation, forcing the deep soleus, the tireless endurance muscle critical for long-duration stability and fall prevention, to work harder than ever. How to do it. Stand behind a sturdy surface, holding lightly. Shift weight to your right leg. Lift your left foot slightly. Slightly bend your right knee. A soft athletic bend, not a squat. Keep it bent the entire time. From this position, slowly lift your right heel as high as you can. Feel the activation deep and low in the calf. Slowly lower back down with control. Repeat 8 to 12 reps on the right leg, then switch sides. Unity around capability, not limitation. Your journey to unshakable strength is just beginning. Stay steady, stay strong. You're not losing power, you're learning how to use it smarter.